Welcome to LogiExport tutorial on exporting a financial report. Let's see how to export the report in a friendly and quick manner. On our button, first we put the object ID and give the file a name. We choose to keep the original formatting, for the colors. In button settings, we choose a label. In sheet formatting, we add selection context to our report. In column formatting, we can easily solve an issue that comes up with columns that have both numbers and percentage on certain measures. In native Qlik Sene export, the Excel will automatically align some cells to the right, and some to the left. Now we choose our selected columns by clicking Add Column options and choosing our desired alignment. A unique LogiExport ability. We make some dimensions selections, and we are good to go. Let's see our final report. A spoiler, it should be fantastic. Here is the exported Excel file. Look how we kept the coloring, how the values are aligned, and how the selection context is shown. You have to admit it, is really impressive. Try LogiExport today.